Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is KEI, and in today's video, we're gonna unbox an iPhone 14 Pro Max. You've probably seen a lot of unboxing already on YouTube, but for me, it took me a while because I ordered a higher capacity iPhone 14 Pro Max. And I ordered a iPhone 14 Pro Max 1TB version because I like to store all my videos and my pictures from my previous iPhone 13 Pro Max. As you can see, the box is white this time for Pro Max. It's usually black color, but it's the same design as perforated flap right here when you open it, unlike before that it's wrapped with plastic and you can just unwrap it. So let's go ahead and open it. There you go, it's now open, and let's review what's inside. Ta-da! Oh, by the way, I ordered a deep purple. So once again, I guess Apple will no longer provide a brick charger for all iPhones, and I think other manufacturers like Samsung is also doing that now. So I guess I'm just gonna have to keep my old power brick from my previous phones before. So let's go ahead and open this beast. There you go. Hello. Oh, look at this dynamic island. As they improved their notch on the screen, it is now like a little pill on the very top center. So that's how it looks like. So right now it's setting up my phone. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any signal today, but it should be. And by the way, this phone has no longer a physical SIM, which is they're using the new technology now, which is eSIM. What that means is that the SIM is already embedded in the phone. There's no physical SIM card that you can remove and check it and move it to a new phone. I guess that's a good thing. You don't have to worry about SIM card that you have to carry all the time, although you don't really need to remove the SIM card. And yep, it's setting up right now. Set up, see you later. Continue. I'm gonna choose light. There you go. It's set up now. Oh, I guess I have a signal. So yeah, it's always like that. Because I had heard some of my friends, the moment they got their iPhones, they never really have any signal right away. So they had to go to their carrier stores like AT&T or Verizon or T-Mobile for that matter to have it set up. But in my case, it works right away. So I have my signal right away. This is Verizon. I'm gonna go ahead and check around with this phone today, like the camera and everything. So here's the new dynamic island. Yeah, like I said, it took me a while to make a video for this phone because I have ordered a 1TB iPhone for that reason, because I have like thousands of videos on my phone that I want to keep. Also pictures, I have like almost 10,000 pictures on my phone. That's why I need a larger capacity, and also it would be beneficial for me because I don't have to worry about larger videos that I'm going to take. So I just use my iPhone as a way to go to make videos for everything I do on my vlogs. Also, by the way, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I have a 1 terabyte right there. It's 1 terabyte. Well, for now, it's gonna say 1 terabyte because I haven't moved my stuff from my old phone to the new iPhone. Alright, so I think pretty much it. Thanks for watching my video about unboxing. I will probably have an update about using this phone, carrying it around, taking pictures and videos. So once again, bye for now. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button for new updates. Thank you. Bye bye.